Assalamu alaikum and welcome to video 2 in this series of the urinary system where we will identify the organs of the urinary system. Remember, one of the jobs of the urinary system is to maintain water balance. So we must balance the food that is coming, food and or the water from the food and drink that we take in with the water from the waste that we release in the form of urine, feces, breathing, or sweat. And this is how we maintain homeostasis of water. The first organ of the urinary system are the kidneys. And remember, the kidneys are in your back, just below your rib cage. The kidney's job is to filter out the blood. So, because there's constantly blood running through the kidneys, they appear red in color. They regulate the water balance and remove waste products from the blood. Kidneys also produce the hormone for making red blood cells, help control blood pressure, and control the calcium levels in the blood. One disorder that you can find with kidneys is kidney disease, where nephrons are damaged by diabetes, high blood pressure, poison, or trauma. This causes the kidneys to poorly filter the blood or not do as good of a job of cleaning out the blood, and therefore causes toxins and poisons to remain in the body even after the blood goes through the kidneys. Kidney stones are solid buildup of calciums, making rocks or small pebbles within the kidneys, and this can be very painful as they pass through the urinary system. The next organ of the urinary system is the ureters. Ureters allow urine to pass from the kidneys to the bladder. They are two thin tubes that move from the kidneys again to the bladder. And one common disorder of ureters is urinary tract infection, which can affect all of the urinary system. Urinary tract infection, or UTI, can be caused by bacteria entering the urinary system. The next disorder, or the next organ of the urinary system, is the bladder. The bladder is a sac shaped like a balloon that fills with urine as it moves down the ureters. It enters the bladder, and the bladder will expand to fill up and then contract when you go to the toilet in order to release or empty the urine. The bladder can hold up to zero point 0.5 liters of urine. Again, disorders of the urinary system include the urinary tract infection, the bladder. Specifically, you can have bladder control problems where you involuntarily release urine. That means that you have no control over your urine coming out of the bladder. Bladder control problems can be caused by UTI, muscle weakness, or enlarged prostate. Again, bladder control problems are more common in women because of giving birth that can cause muscle weakness. The last, the last organ of the urinary system is the urethra. The urethra is a short tube that is connected to the bladder that will lead to the outside. So that's the last place that urine will pass through. Its job is to carry the urine out of your body. And again, you have sphincter muscles at the urethra that will help you control the release of the urine. And a common disorder, again, is a urinary tract infection, which is caused by bacteria. Thank you for watching my video. That brings us to the end with 10 seconds left.